Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lyresh. Ngayon ay mag-unbox tayo ng adjustable electric coffee grinder. Ayan. From Shardor coffee grinder. So i-unbox na natin. Later, we can try the coffee grinder. So open na natin, guys. Scoop, a transparent lid, and a coffee grinder machine. Shardor coffee grinder machine. It's so cute. Grinder machine. So, itry na natin, guys, ang ating coffee grinder. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng coffee bean. Ayan, coffee bean. Dagdagan natin. Scoop of coffee bean. So it has adjustable course to find 15 seconds right there. It's automatically turns off. So this is what it looks like. The coarse grind. Ayan, perfect. Now, i-try natin yung fine grind. I-set natin sa fine. Wow. Now I want to try my crispy coconut rolls. I-grind siya.